You're gonna love the 2026 Toyota 4Runner. Make every off-road adventure all it can be in this capable 4Runner. From its rugged, trail-focused design to its comfortable interior, this is the go-to vehicle for your outdoor lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, satellite radio, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Rugged trail machine meets reliable family hauler in this capable 4Runner. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.